What's wrong with you, Ella?
No Googling.
No Googling?
Yeah.
You don't need... Why don't you want to be Googled?
Because that hurts.
Ugh, it hurts to be Googled. But what if you have something wrong with you? Look at you got little bumps on your face. What if it's contagious? We need to Google it so we know what it is.
No, I don't want to know.
Are you okay, sis? See, we need to Google you. We need to Google what it is that's wrong with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you need to lay down. I think you're tired. I don't think you want to be Googled.
No.
We might have to look it up and see. Google it.
No, I don't want to Google it.
Everybody gets Googled sometimes, Ella. You don't know what's happening, but sometimes you get Googled.
I don't want to get Googled.
I wouldn't want to be Googled either. But
Yeah.
there's something on your face. Don't kick your sister. Hey, that's mean to her. She's just a baby. Stop.
Sorry, no.
Be nice to her.
No.